Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, October 29th, 2024, we're going over the news and chart data for Meta platforms. Meta, the tech giant behind Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. Meta has been on a wild ride this year, soaring over 60% since the beginning of January, driven by a strong performance in the advertising market and a significant rebound in 2023. However, recent headlines have suggested that the Magnificent Seven tech stocks, including Meta, may be facing a rotation, with investors shifting their focus to other sectors. Analysts are also closely watching Meta's Connect Developer Conference on September 25th, where the company is expected to unveil new Metaverse and AI products, potentially acting as a catalyst for the stock's future direction. With all these factors in play, let's dive into the charts to see what they reveal about Meta's short-term and long-term trajectory. Starting with the one-day chart, we can see that Meta has been on a strong upward trend since June 2023, breaking through multiple resistance levels. The stock has been testing the $570 to $580 range for the past few weeks, which has acted as a strong resistance level. However, we've seen some recent weakness, with the stock pulling back from this range. This suggests that the bullish momentum may be slowing down, and we could be in for a short-term correction. The volume has also been declining, further indicating a possible shift in sentiment. Let's take a closer look at the one-hour chart to examine the short-term trends. Looking at the past week's candles, we can see that the price action has been choppy, with the stock struggling to maintain a clear direction. The $580 to $590 range has been a key battleground, with buyers and sellers fiercely fighting for control. While the stock has managed to stay above the $570 level, it has failed to decisively break through the $590 resistance. This suggests that the short-term outlook is neutral, and we're likely to see more sideways movement in the coming days. If the price breaks above $590, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. Now let's delve into the 15-minute chart to get a granular view of the price action. If we zoom in on the past few hours of trading, we can see that Meta has been consolidating between $575 and $580. There have been several short-term reversals, indicating that both buyers and sellers are active. The volume has been relatively low, suggesting a lack of strong conviction in either direction. This consolidation pattern could be a sign of indecision and volatility, making it challenging to predict the immediate future direction. However, if the price breaks out of this range, either above or below, it could signal a stronger directional move. Looking back at the one-day chart, the $570 to $580 range has been a significant resistance level for the past few weeks. If the price breaks above this level, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend, potentially leading to a retest of the all-time highs. However, if the price fails to break through this resistance and instead falls below the $570 level, it could indicate a shift in sentiment and potentially lead to a deeper correction. On the one-hour chart, the $580 to $590 range has been a key battleground, with buyers and sellers fighting for control. Breaking above this range could trigger a short-term bullish breakout, while failing to do so could lead to a short-term pullback. If the price falls below the $570 level, it could signal a weakening of the bullish momentum and potentially lead to a deeper correction. On the 15-minute chart, the consolidation between $575 and $580 suggests indecision and volatility. Breaking out of this range, either above or below, could indicate a stronger directional move. It's important to remember that these are just potential scenarios, and the market can be unpredictable. In conclusion, Meta stock is currently in a state of flux, with both bullish and bearish forces at play. The short-term outlook is neutral, with the price consolidating between $575 and $580 on the 15-minute chart. The $570 to $580 range on the one-day chart has been a significant resistance level, and breaking above it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. However, failing to break through this level could lead to a correction. On the one-hour chart, the The $580 to $590 range is a key battleground, and breaking above it could trigger a short-term bullish breakout. It's important to watch the price action and volume closely to identify potential breakout or breakdown signals. The news and events surrounding Meta, including the Connect Developer Conference, will also play a significant role in shaping the stock's future direction. Stay tuned to explain the charts for more in-depth analysis and insights on Meta and other key markets.